welcome back to Food Couture. This is Vishruti. So today we are going to make eggless chocolate cake, which is very easy and quick recipe. So why to wait? Let's get started. Now we're going to take a bowl. We'll add 3/4 cup of oil, 1.5 cup of castor sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, now we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll keep this aside. Now we'll see all the dry ingredients. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of baking soda. Now we'll sieve all the ingredients into the bowl. You can see that it is completely sieved. Now we'll add these dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now we'll give it a good mix. Make sure that the mixture is lump free. Now you can see that the mixture is ready. I have taken a baking tray to which I have greased it with butter and added a parchment paper. Now we'll pour the mixture into the baking tray. We have already preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degree. Now we'll place this mixture for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degree. Now you can see that our eggless chocolate cake is ready. Now we'll demold it after it's completely cooled. Now we'll demold it. Now we'll frost it with melted Nutella. Spread it evenly. Now we'll sprinkle chopped hazelnut on it. Now we'll drizzle it with dark chocolate. Our eggless chocolate cake is ready to serve. We will be back with such more easy and quick recipes. Keep watching us. Till that time, happy cooking!